To shoot cinematic shots underwater, creative techniques such as rolls, flips, and spins are essential keys. The 360-degree omnidirectional movements of the 5-fish underwater drone allow you to capture unique images with ease, with full control of your camera movements from above the surface. 5-fish V Evo moves with 6 degrees of freedom underwater, forwards or backwards, glide left or right, elevate upward or downward, yaw left or right, pitch forward or backward, as well as roll left or right. When shooting, slowly push the joysticks left or right to create a panning camera shot. Activate the AI Vision Lock feature and use hand gestures to stabilize your camera and control your filming focus. Move and film in 360-degree tracking and spiraling motions to create captivating underwater moments. Elevate the drone vertically while in a spiral to produce dynamic shots. We will show how the 5-fish V Evo can achieve a variety of unique filming techniques. Gradually elevate the drone camera upward and allow the subject of the shot to be slowly exposed. Switch to S mode for the underwater drone to achieve exciting barrel roll shots. Position the drone vertically and create lively spiraling shots. Position the drone vertically while cruising forward to achieve unique hover shots. Move and flip the camera close to the surface to capture parallel mirror shots. Skim along the surface of the water to achieve a dynamic mirroring effect, achieving breathtaking footage for your films. 5-fish V Evo underwater drone, unleash your filming creativity.